Hello and welcome to Best Tech Tips. Let's get to it. First, closing a program in Windows 11 is never the recommended way to close an application, but we've all been there. Whether it's unresponsive or for some other reason, you need to close this program. So, let's get started. Start with opening up Task Manager. There's two ways you can do that. You can right-click on the toolbar and select Task Manager, or you can hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete and select Task Manager. Be sure you're in the Process tab. Find the program you wish to end. In this example, we'll use Microsoft Excel, and either left-click and select End Task, or right-click and select End Task. That's it. If the program is unresponsive, you will get a dialog box saying it is sending a report to Microsoft. You can either cancel that or let it finish. Completely up to you. Thanks for watching Mess Tech Tips.